Hello and welcome to our fun and educational video on spelling words with the letter O. Today, we'll be introducing you to some exciting and easy to spell words that begin with the letter O. First up, we have the word octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Great job! Can you spell it with us? Next, we have orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Well done! Now, let's move on to some slightly more challenging words. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Excellent! Oven. O-V-E-N. Keep up the good work. And for our final words, we have orchestra. O-R-C-H-E-S-T-R-A. Amazing job! And lastly, ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Wow, you're doing great! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with all of our latest videos on spelling, grammar, and more. Thanks for watching, and we hope you had fun learning to spell these words with the letter O. See you next time!